Scientific name, Testudinus. Job, armored explorer. Hobbies, aimless wandering, sunbathing, and doing absolutely nothing professionally. I am not a hare, I am not a ninja, and I definitely do not get flipped on my back like in cartoons. I am a turtle, ancient, armored, and 100% unbothered. I did not survive meteors, climate changes, and TikTok trends just to be called Slowpoke. You see a shell, I see a built-in bunker. It is made of over 50 fused bones, ribs, spine, pelvis, all locked in. The top part, carapace. The bottom, plastron. Together. Full body armor, zero maintenance required. Some of us can tuck everything inside, others leave our limbs out like, come at me. And those rings on my shoulder. No, I am not a walking tree stump. But yeah, those rings help estimate age. I am basically a timeline with legs. Our colors, brown, olive, even jet black, all camouflage to stay low-key in the wild. Man, turtles aren't fast, so what? Tortoises top out at 0.3 kilometers per hour. That is not a bug, it is a lifestyle. I do not rush through life, I savor it. Meanwhile, sea turtles in the water, whole different vibe. We hit up to 35 kilometers per hour when we are in a hurry. That is faster than your morning jog. We live on every continent except Antarctica. Rainforests? Check. Deserts? Yep. Deep oceans? Absolutely. Some of us can dive over, 1,000 meters deep. Freshwater turtles dominate lakes and rivers. Even in urban parks, we thrive. And leatherback sea turtles? They are global nomads traveling tens of thousands of kilometers every year. We go further than your favorite travel vlogger. Some freshwater turtles breathe through their butts. It is called cloacal respiration. Weird, but real. We have variety. Some of us are herbivores, munching on plants, fruits, flowers. Some are carnivores, feasting on jellyfish, worms, and snails. Others are omnivores. We eat what we want, when we want. No teeth, no problem. Our beak-like jaws get the job done. We have got serious jaw strength. Some snapping turtles can crush through bone. You do not want to be on the wrong side of lunch. Love is complicated. Male turtles court females with head bobs, shell butts, and sometimes straight-up aggression. It is less romantic, more wrestling match. Females lay eggs in carefully dug nests. Some species lay up to 100 eggs at once. After that, no, parenting. Hatchlings dig out of the sand alone and race to the ocean, dodging predators like it is Mario Kart on nightmare mode. Bonus science. Gender of hatchlings depends on sand temperature. Warm sand means more females. So yeah, climate change messes with our dating pool. Even turtles cannot escape that drama. You want to hear some extra secrets? Our love season runs from late spring to early fall, and we get real enthusiastic when it rains. After laying eggs, I chill for a few days, then head back to dating mode. No time to waste. Our eggs, soft-shelled and laid in clusters like gooey dumplings. We are cold-blooded. Our body temperature changes with the environment. We can chill underwater for hours, come up at night to hang out or just bask in the sun like pros. We may not take IQ tests, but our brains are fine-tuned for survival. Sea turtles use Earth's magnetic fields to navigate across oceans. Them travel over 10,000 kilometers and still return to the same beach they were born on, even 20 years later. Climate change is shifting our habitat. Plastic is choking our oceans. Some turtles mistake bags for jellyfish. Fishing nets trap us. Coastal development destroys our nests, and illegal trade still happens. Over 60% of turtle species are threatened or endangered. We have survived mass extinctions, but humans might be our biggest challenge yet. I am not lazy. I am ancient. I have walked with dinosaurs, floated past pirates, and watched cities rise and fall. I do not panic. I persist. I am the turtle Tessadines. I have got my house on my back, my chill at maximum, and time on my side. Chill, yeah.
I'm still digging.
Hey there, human. Yeah, you. The one scrolling past 1 million videos a day. Pause for a second. Let me introduce myself properly. I'm a capybara. I don't fly. I don't fight. I'm not even a super swimmer. Well, actually, scratch that. I kinda am. But what I do master is being calm. Calm like a lake at 4 a.m. No drama, no stress, just vibes. I'm the animal that crocodiles respect and birds ride on like Uber. Not a flex, just facts. You won't catch me on Mount Everest. Way too chilly. Nor am I doing any strolls in the Arctic, no thanks. I live where the weather knows how to treat a chill soul. South America, Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Argentina. Grassy fields, wetlands, rivers. If there's water and a patch of grass, that's my happy place. I got webbed feet, by the way. I swim like a boss. Can dive for 5 whole minutes. No tank, no goodbye speech. When things get spicy, I vanish underwater like a fuzzy little submarine, leaving just my snout peeking out. I roll in herds of 10 to 20, sometimes even 100 during the dry season. I'm friendly. I mind my business. I sit still. No pushing, no biting, no chaos. Birds, turtles, crocodiles, I vibe with all of them. I once had a whole flock of ducks riding on my back. Did I move? No, that's just how I roll. My face? Always peaceful. Think, office worker on their 4th deadline of the day, but without the existential dread. I'm a strict vegetarian. Grass, aquatic plants, fruits, bark, you name it. I eat up to 3 to 4 kilograms of it daily. And yes, I do eat my own poop. The soft, fresh kind. Don't judge me, it's nutrient recycling, rodent style. Super classy, actually. Think I'm slow because I'm round? Think again. I can run up to 9.8 meters per second, basically Mbappe with a fur coat. Predators? I leave them in my dust. Oh, and my legs? Absolute units. Not only can I sprint, I can swim through swamps and rivers like an aquatic tank. We don't mess around with parenting. We can breed all year, especially when it rains. Pregnancy takes about 150 days. We usually pop out 4 pups per litter, but sometimes more. Campy babies are born ready to walk, chew, and swim. Straight out the womb and into the pond. That's how we do it. We raise them with love, grass, and a zero-drama family culture. No teenage rebellion here. I'm not one of those live fast, die young types. Nope. We capybaras live 8 to 10 years, about the same as your dog. All I need is water, some good grass, and a stress-free zone. I'm basically the immortal Cap edition. Yep, you heard that right. Our cells are like little security guards. They shut down any shady business before it starts. Scientists say we've got super efficient cell cycle control, stopping tumors before they even try to be a thing. We're big, but not out of control. Balanced, built different. You could call me your immune system role model. I'm not just chill. I'm internet famous. I'm in TikTok, memes, tattoos, documentaries. In Japan, they even built hot springs just for me, where I sit in steaming water with orange slices on my head. Why? No idea, but it's cute, and citrus smells nice. You don't have to do much. Just stay calm in the chaos. Eat your greens. Be kind to everyone. And when life gets too much, sit in a hot tub and breathe. Do that, and you're already halfway to being a capybara. And trust me, the world could really use more capybaras.